Missouri's top state senator is now calling for action in the ongoing contract dispute between MU Health and Anthem Insurance. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Lucas Geisler. Megan is on assignment. Missouri Senate President Pro Tem Cindy O'Laughlin took to Facebook today, calling on MU to sign the contract this week. ABC 17's Mitchell Kaminsky joins us live outside a university hospital after speaking with patients affected by these negotiations. Mitch, the two sides have been in contact since last week's Senate hearing.
Lucas, Anthem says it's put multiple offers on the table, including doubling its rate increase. MU Health also said in a statement that it's been in active talks with Anthem since last week's hearing, but for many people, patience is wearing thin.
There's an old, proverb that when elephants fight, it's the grass that suffers. And what we have is Anthem, this big institution. We have MU that has been filling the gaps in with rural health care. And that when they're in conflict, it's the rest of us that are suffering.
Months of negotiations have left about 90,000 patients without access, including those undergoing life-saving treatment. Sandy Smith, a cancer survivor who's relied on MU Health since 2016, says this fight is personal.
I have a condition that's called Lynch syndrome, which makes me more susceptible to other cancers. I don't feel like I can just go to anybody that's not familiar with that.
Smith says she's postponed care while she searches for a new insurance provider and feels like patients are caught in the middle.
I'm one of the healthier ones, because all mine are preventative. I think more of the people that are going through cancer treatments right now and having to deal with this. We are people. We're not just numbers.
State Representative Greg Bush, a nurse who joined Anthem at the start of the year, says he's now had to drive 2 hours to find a pediatrician for his son.
It was a little bit of a gut punch, frankly. My family has been using MU Healthcare for almost 2 decades. In some ways, I don't want lawmakers kind of involved in this, but we can't not be.
Bush tells me that he's heard from not only his constituents in his district, but from people across the state, adding that MU Health is the only healthcare provider with a statewide network. Reporting live in Columbia, Mitchell Kaminsky, ABC 17 News.
Thank you, Mitchell. It's unclear what exactly state lawmakers can do about the situation if MU doesn't sign a deal. You can read more about the issue and what patients are going through on our website. That's abc17news.com.